All right, today we have a new unboxing for the first partner series 1. This is my first time getting a chance to get a hold of these and open this bad boy, so hopefully we get the first gen starters. This is what I'm hoping of, but definitely know it's not a guarantee. How's y'all day going? If I get in here. Hopefully y'all weekend was good. Might be a little behind, depending on when I post this video, but sticker set, pretty cool. We got 3 packs. Save you for last. Let's start with Mega Evolutions. Still a lot of cards that I need to get out of Mega Evolutions. So any hit would be great. Love to get that Lucario. And we got an EX. So we'll take that Megalodius EX. Set you right there. And of course in here we are chasing the Charizards. So definitely I'm hoping on that full illustration rare. It's our Charizard. Alright. Lumbre, Piplup, Jumbo Ice Cream, and Epic Bomb. Alright, no hits really out of those except for the EX. So let's hopefully, let's get the Gen 1 starters. Extra careful. Let me go from the bottom. Only 3 cards in here, so gotta be extra careful with them. Got a code card. And, oh, we didn't get them. But it's okay. Rowlet, Litten, and Papilio. Well, hopefully I can continue to get my hands on some of the these first partner sets. And I will continue to pick them up. And hopefully we can just end up getting the whole full connecting art. Sleeve these up. So at the end of the day, I definitely want to have them all. So, but I was just hoping I could get my favorite starters first. I grew up on Gen 1, so those are my go-to starter Pokemon. But I like Gen 2 also. All right, there go our hits. Catch y'all on the next one.